Hey guys, it's Kim and I am here with my JuJuBe bags. I am leaving for a 12-day trip with my two daughters, ages 9 months and 3 years old. My husband is coming with as well. And these are the bags that we are bringing for our carry-ons. My husband's going to be carrying the BFF and I will be carrying my Hobo Bee and most likely as my daughter's Mini Bee as well. She's just 3, so it's a little much for her to carry the bag. But that's the one thing that I really love about the Mini Bee is that the straps are adjustable. I'm 5'8" and it fits me really well. And let me show you what I have inside for our flight. So in the side battle pockets, I have my 15-ounce Zip by Swell and my daughter's Thermos Fugo. I don't have anything in this front flap, but this is where we plan on putting our boarding passes and things like that, so they're super easy to access. In the mommy pocket, I'm going to be putting my husband's sunglasses in here. Just have an easy access of tissues, and then down here are mints. And then in this tech pocket, I have my husband's headphones, and in the little hidden pocket at the top, I don't have much, just both of my girls a copy of their birth certificates just in case. So let's open this up all the way. I have this little bag here that these blocks, B-dot blocks came in, but I dumped most of them out and just have toys for my 9-month-old. These are just some things to occupy her. Then this is a large travel-on piece, and I have a bunch of snacks for my 9-month-old, puffs and pouches and creamies, just to keep her occupied. In this medium set piece, I have all of our cords for the trip. My husband's laptop charger, our Fitbit charger, my iPhone cord. So all of those fit really well in this medium set piece. This is a Gerber snack tray. I really like it. It's nice and compact. Put their food on so they have a nice clean surface. And then I have 2 bibs and a spoon and a fork. And then I have 2 things in here, toys for my daughter. This is from the Target Dollar Spot. It is a Mickey Mouse book, plus it has stickers and scenes that you can put the stickers on. It has a story as well as coloring pages. So this is like all in one little thing here, and it was just a couple dollars. She hasn't seen this yet, so that'll be like a little surprise for her, as well as this Peppa sticker book. So in this pocket here, we plan to put my husband's laptop, so that's why we don't have much in that top hidden pocket, because it bulks this up and there wouldn't be room to lay the laptop. Pocket here, I have a jacket for both of my girls. It is going to be like 40 degrees where we're going, and we're coming from where it's 80 degrees, so I just have a light jacket for them in here. So in the mommy pocket here, I just have my wallet, and I've taken out all of the cards that I don't typically use, just have the bare bones of things that we need in here. On the lanyard, I have my car key and my house key. We have a friend driving us, so I'll be able to just disconnect this really quickly, and then she can have our keys to bring our car home. I have nothing in these 2 mesh pockets here. In this back zipper pocket, I have a coin purse and a pen. I don't have anything in this tech pocket. I will maybe throw my headphones in there because I keep my cell phone in the bottle pocket on the side. In the back pocket is just the change pad that it comes with. I don't have anything else in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. I love how the Hobo Bee opens up. This is just like the perfect diaper bag for me. Let me pull out in the middle. I guess I have a quick here in Dancing Dahlias. And this is just have our diapering things. I have a white pouch 30, pretty much packed full. And I have 5 size 4 disposable diapers. Then I'll go in the pockets around the outside. Pockets, I have granola bars and snacks for my husband and myself and my daughter. I have a wet bag and a pack of wet ones in this pocket. And then in this little zip pocket here, I have boogie wipes, hand sanitizer, and tissues. And then at the bottom of the bag, this having changes of clothes at the bottom is like the most perfect way to get every little square inch of use out of this bag. So I have a change of clothes for my 3-year-old and a change of clothes for my 9-month-old. Back zip pocket here, I have a small set piece that has some Motrin, a thermometer, and a couple Band-Aids just in case. I usually don't carry these things, but this is like for a flight, so just in case. And then some mini M&Ms for my 3-year-old just in case we need some major bribery. But she usually does really well on flights. So that is my JuJuBe, and then this is my daughter's mini bee. We just got this for her. I'm super excited about it. It's so cute. I made this little strap here with just a lanyard and some cam straps because my daughter is only 3. This tends to fall off her shoulders without this, and that has helped make it so hopefully she'll carry it for more than just a couple minutes. So in this front pocket here, we just have a little craft we got from the library at Easter time. This bag is just all packed up with fun stuff for her. We do have a 6-hour drive. After going to my parents', we are going to drive to my husband's parents' house, which is 6 hours away. So we do have that 6-hour drive. So I do have more toys than I normally would on a flight, but this is everything we have in her bag. We have some wiki sticks, which are super fun to build things and play with. We have a Peppa Pig puzzle. I have some random assortments of things here, a lacing game, a mini Etch-a-Sketch, and then just a bunch of her figurines that she chose. And then we just have a notebook with paper. She loves to put stickers on things, and this is a brand new little notebook. I figured a hardcover would be good for in the car. She can have this on her lap without us having to bring like a special tray. We have a water wow. These are awesome. You fill this pen up with water, and then you can recolor these pages over and over and over again. And the pen doesn't leak all over or anything. We haven't had any issues with that. And then this is a brand new, it's a little magnet tin that you can, I'm gonna have to pop these out before we leave, but you pop the little magnet scenes so she can play around with that. I got one that has a little lip here in the tin just so when we're in the car or even on the plane they don't slide out everywhere. And in here we just have markers, a glue stick, stickers and colored paper and some feathers. Just things that she can, you know, decorate her paper here with. So that is everything I had in my daughter's mini bee. On the last flight we took, she didn't even need any toys. She just kind of hung out and talked with us. So we're hoping it goes well. The last thing I'm going to show you guys, I forgot, the back zip pocket on the Be Right Back. There is this slip pocket here, and I just have a couple extra disposables. I took out the change pad because I'm just going to use the JuJuBe one, but it has a couple disposables and a pull-up. We might put a pull-up on my daughter on the airplane just in case she falls asleep. Alright guys, so these are the bags that we're taking on our flight tomorrow. If you like this video, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. Bye!